Hello everyone, I am Kalyani. Today, let's talk about something many of us have faced bloating. Bloating is that uncomfortable feeling when your stomach feels heavy, full, or swollen. Sometimes it is just mild discomfort, but for some people, it feels like your stomach has actually bloated like a balloon. But what is bloating really? Why does it happen? What is the root cause? And most importantly, how can changes in the lifestyle, home remedies, and yoga can help us? Let us understand in detail. It can be physical bloating where there is actual increase in the abdominal girth due to gas or fluid retention, or it can be sensory bloating. Even without visible swelling, one feels fullness and discomfort. Digestive causes: excess gas formation due to wrong eating habits. Eating too fast means swallowing air. Carbonated drinks and chewing gums, gas producing foods like beans, cabbage, onions, and broccoli. Due to constipation, stool remains in the colon, which gets fermented and it produces more gas and heaviness. Some people have lactose intolerance or gluten intolerance. So, when they consume dairy products or wheat products, it produces the gas and more heaviness. Irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Disturbed gut brain connection causes irregular bowel movements and ultimately end up in bloating. Small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. Extra bacteria in small intestine ferment food which causes gas and pain. Many women experience bloating before or during menstruation due to imbalance in the estrogen or progesterone hormones. Lifestyle causes: sedentary lifestyle leads to slow or sluggish digestion. Lack of water intake or sufficient fiber in the diet. Stress and anxiety, which disturbs the gut brain axis. Overeating or eating late at night are some of the causes due to wrong lifestyle. There are some medical conditions which are less common but important. Gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, ovarian cysts, gallbladder disease or pancreatitis. Let us understand the symptoms of bloating. A person may experience fullness or heaviness in the abdomen, visible swelling of the abdomen, burping, excessive gases, stomach pain or cramps, rumbling sounds from the stomach, constipation or irregular bowel movements. In severe cases, nausea, vomiting, and even loss of appetite. But if bloating is persistent, severe, and associated with weight loss, blood in the stool, and severe pain, please consult a doctor. There are some lifestyle modifications which are necessary to prevent and reduce bloating. Eat slowly. Chew food well. Don't gulp. Limit carbonated drinks and chewing gums. Identify trigger foods. Keep food diary. Have regular meals and small portions. Exercise daily. Walking, light stretching will help to improve the gut mobility. And practice deep breathing and meditation to manage stress. Home remedies for bloating: warm water with ajwain or carom seeds. They help to reduce the gas. Chew fennel seeds after your meals or make a herbal tea with fennel seeds. Ginger tea aids digestion, or you can make small balls of sunt, which is dry ginger, with ghee and jaggery, and eat them every day in the morning or after meals. Peppermint tea also helps to relax gut muscles. Buttermilk with rock salt and roasted cumin is a natural probiotic. There are some yoga practices for bloating relief. So let us understand what are these asanas and demonstration step by step.
Let us start lying down in Pavan Muktasana, the wind relieving pose. Hug your knees close to the chest. Take a few deep breaths and feel the release in your abdomen. Come up to Ardha Matsyendrasana, the seated twist, to massage the internal organs and ease digestion. Now, lie down on your back and lift your hips in Setu Bandhasana, the bridge pose. It improves blood flow and reduces the acidity. Next, come to Malasana. the deep squat. It stimulates bowel movement and relieves heaviness. From there, move to Mandukasana, the frog pose, gently pressing the abdomen to activate digestive energy. Now relax in Balasana, the child's pose. Roll your forehead slowly side to side. This calms the mind and releases tension. Finish with a gentle supine twist, turning from one side to the other. Let us practice some pranayamas. Sit comfortably and practice Kapalbhati, quick exhalations to awaken your digestive fire. Then start practicing Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing to balance the mind and body. Stay aware of your breath and feel your stomach light, calm, and peaceful. Remember, yoga, when done mindfully, not only relieves bloating but also brings long-term balance to your digestive system.
So friends, bloating is common but not normal if frequent. This is our body's way of saying that something is just not right with our digestion or lifestyle. By making small changes like mindful eating, proper hydration, regular exercises and yoga practice, we can keep our gut happy and free from bloating. Remember, a healthy gut is equal to a happy life. If you like this information, do share it and let's spread the awareness about digestive health. I am coming up with more such informative videos in the next week, so stay tuned. Thank you.